Don't download Google Analytics 360 Ultimate app before watching this. Before you download Google Analytics 360 Ultimate, here's the surprising truth. It's not just a reporting tool, it's an advanced analytics platform built for enterprise-level data, and without proper setup, it can be more confusing than helpful. Step 1. Define your key bias. GA360 provides unlimited custom reports, advanced segments, and data integration. Most people get this wrong. They start tracking everything at once, which clutters dashboards and dilutes insights. Step 2. Set up data streams correctly. Connect websites, apps, and marketing platforms strategically. Without proper tagging and tracking, your metrics will be inaccurate, leading to poor decisions. Step 3. Leverage advanced features. GA360 allows funnel analysis, attribution modeling, and custom dimensions. The surprising truth is, if you ignore these features, you're leaving out insights that can directly impact ROI. Step 4. Integrate with BigQuery and other enterprise tools. This enables deep data analysis and predictive insights. Most small teams don't need this, which is why GA360 feels overwhelming for many. The upside: with correct setup, GA360 can give unprecedented visibility into user behavior, marketing performance, and revenue attribution, helping large organizations optimize campaigns efficiently. So, should you download it? Yes, if your team has analytics expertise and can manage enterprise data. For smaller teams or simple reporting needs, GA360 may be overkill. Subscribe for more honest app reviews before investing in enterprise analytics solutions.